In any instance, also, it's just good to get out and just experience what it's like to, you know, honestly, once again, in the middle of the night, some guy comes along and confronts me here at my stealth camping location. I could hear a rock splashing in the pool nearby. I thought it was maybe just a stick falling. And then I heard another splosh, something else. I thought another branch or something fell. Didn't think too much more of it. And then a light flashed across my tent. And I'm inside the tent. And then I hear footsteps walking by. And this person's not making any sound. And is approaching my tent and going up to my bike, literally right over here. And here's my tent, and I'm like, are you right there, mate? And then I get out, and then as soon as this light goes out, it's pitch black here, and it's actually going to be really, really peaceful. Here, tonight, it's just going to be me and the night creatures and the yowies of this forest. We're going to get some good sleep tonight, some good Z's. Yeah, looking forward to it. All right, heading off right now to a secret stealth location. This is a little bit different. This will be done in the middle of the night. Crazy stuff. It's a top secret location. Right, and here we are. This is it. It's going to be pitch black here. Anyways, let's get set up, shall we? So anyway, stealth camping. This is stealth camping in a bush. And something else that may be of interest to you is my brand new little stealth camping stool. Or really, it's just a hiking stool. How awesome is this thing? It's so tiny, it fits in my backpack. And it's so good having something to sit on apart from a pile of rocks or a log. You can take this and have a chair with you wherever you go. Absolutely silent here. The only thing I can hear are the crickets, the spiders crawling around. I can hear the planes flying across the sky. Apart from that, it's just the sounds of the forest here. It's really, really nice. So this was a bit different in that I just opted, last minute type of thing, hey, let's just go and stealth camp somewhere else in the middle of the night. When I say middle of the night, I mean around 8 o'clock at night. Every man needs to get out there and do some camping from time to time, and that's where I was at tonight. A couple of suggestions from my last stealth camping video. Oh, why don't you do what Steve Wallace did? Camp in the middle of a roundabout. You know, that is actually a very dangerous thing to do. Just think about it for a moment. Your stealth camp is set up a little place to sleep the night in the middle of the roundabout, and you get some crazy hoon, some car, some truck, for God knows what reason, it accidentally just goes right through that roundabout. Guess who he's going to clean up? Not just the bushes, he's going to clean up whoever is stealth camping inside that roundabout. Not really the wisest thing to do. However, there are a load of other places to do some stealth camping. Logan City, it's amazing. There's so many places where you can actually just lay your head and no one will know that you are there. Yeah, let's see what places I can find. There'll be some interesting places. There'll be some little bit more tame places. This where I am is a little bit more tame, but as soon as this light goes out, it's pitch black here, and it's actually going to be really, really peaceful. Compared to where I stealth camped last week, man, you could hear cars, you could hear the traffic, and compared to when I stealth camped at Esk on my Brisbane Valley Rail Trail, oh gosh, I camped under a bridge. Don't ever sleep under a bridge if you can help it. Honestly, you won't get any sleep. Look at this, flame's almost out. That means it's almost bedtime. Still some heat coming out from this, eh? This is fantastic. So we're going to hit the hay, hopefully have a good night's rest. Once again, I'll just show you my setup. I have here a Ultralight wide sea inflatable mattress, sleeping bag, stinky socks. Actually, they're not stinky, they're pretty good. Tricology pillow. Once again, this is great. I'll do a separate video on this and the new chair and a few other things coming up very soon. Tonight, just in this environment, I've opted to leave my shoes inside rather than outside. The reason being is this area is actually, there's a lot of spiders crawling around. Last thing I want to do is wake up to having a nice big bush spider that's in there that could be poisonous. I've had my fair share of spiders and getting a poisonous bite from them and having an anaphylactic reaction. Yeah, I'm just keeping them inside for tonight. Someone commented the other week, hey, you're practicing to be homeless. I said, practice makes perfect. It's all about that hashtag hobo lifestyle. Look, I'm just having a joke. Homelessness is a very real issue all over the world. Here in Logan City, homelessness is also a big problem. And there are people legitimately, due to current financial crises and rental shortages, they are doing it tough. And so I really do feel for them. And I don't mean to make light of their circumstance or their situations, but they're trying to do the best that they can do. And you know what? They find a part of Logan City and they set up a tent, they set up some little shelter, and they make the best that they can do. In any instance, also, it's just good to get out and just experience what it's like just to be out in the bush for a night or two, you know, just do a couple of manly things. Anywho, that's it. Let's hit the hay and have a good night's rest. Catch you in the morning. good, buddy?
Here's Johnny!
Seriously, what are you doing here again? You're gone.
Oh my god.
Wakey, wakey. POV.
Seriously.
Ooh. Someone get a bit scared with those rocks getting thrown?
I did hear that. How'd you get here?
So I get challenged by a guy again, and check out who it is. It's my crazy son again. He came here right in the middle of the night.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it, all right.
You got scared.
Yeah, I kind of felt, what the heck? It's like 11:30 at night.
You think your stealth camping days have been over?
Mate, I got no idea how you found me. This is crazy.
Yeah, I was just walking through the bush in the dark for a while until I found them.
Do you know where this is? This is like in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it.
And like, seriously, I've got no idea how he even found me. Like, this spot, it's actually quite tucked away. He's pretty good. I'll give him that. For him to actually locate me, I think I've taught him too well.